Hello, welcome to my computer training channel. This tutorial I'll finish with Microsoft Word 2016 will be focusing on how we can actually insert a video online. What we mean is that we can actually play a video from our YouTube channel and much more. How do you do that? Please, first of all, open the Microsoft Word and come to Insert. After clicking on Insert, you come down to this way where you have Media. You can see online video. As soon as you click, there are basically two things you will see here. Well, we have YouTube. That means you can actually play video from your YouTube directly. How do you do that? Let's see what can be done. Let's see what we can do. First of all, go to the channel or the video you want to play. In this case, I have a video from my computer training channel. So, okay, let me just make a selection of one of these videos here. All right, let's use this one for example. Use this one. All I will need to, I will just copy. I can just copy this. Okay, I can just copy this, and then that will become. Let's see. If I copy this, okay, just copy the title of the video.
I'm going to show you how you can
title of the video. Okay, right. I will come here under search and paste and press enter. As soon as I press enter key, it will go online and search for the video. This is actually mine. There are many videos of almost the same title. So this is mine. I can just click on once and click on insert here at the bottom right. Alright, now I'm inserting it in my page. That means right here in Microsoft Word, I can actually play my video. You can see it's in Microsoft Word. I'm just typing this for you to confirm with me that it's just a Microsoft Word. In order to play, just click on here. It will start playing. So it's already loading, and it will play very well. Okay, that is it. So it will keep playing. Just click on here to play. Alright, so that is one way you can use the online video. Now let's go to the second method. Alright, now going back to that same insect, and we are still under media. While the first one we have just discussed have to do with the YouTube. Now the second one is from a video embed code. From video embed code. What does that mean? Alright, again, go back to the channel or the video you want to use. In this case, let me choose something different from the channel, not always the same video. Let me look for another video among my videos here. And the first time we use this other one. Now let's get to something different. Okay, let's choose this. Okay, how to rip music. Alright, in this case, what I would do, I will open the video. Okay, let me mute it. I can pause the video and right click on the video. As you right click on the video, you can see here, copy embed code. Copy embed code. Just click on it. You click on it. The next step is for you to go back to your Microsoft Word, and under this space here, that says paste embed code. Simply paste the embed code. There are many ways to paste. You can right click and click on paste, or you can click inside there and press Control and P. Oh, sorry, Control and V to paste. That is good. So you see that you come in here and click to start searching, or just press your enter key from your keyboard. Automatically, this is it here at the window. So you just click on it. As you click on it, see, you notice that it loads exactly that same video. So just like I had earlier mentioned, just come in here and click in order to start playing. So absolutely, it's quite possible for you to play a video online right there in your Microsoft Word 2016. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you do like the tutorial, so leave me your comments, subscribe.